Hi everyone, do you want to be able to remove reels from your Facebook feed? Well, then you have come to the right video because I am going to show you exactly how to do this. But make sure that you watch this video until the very end so that you don't make any mistake on this process. And if this video works for you, don't forget to subscribe the channel and give this video a thumbs up as this will help us to grow on this platform. So the first thing I'm going to do this is to go into my Facebook app, and now I am on my Facebook app. What I can do first is to find all the reels, scroll down a little, and then I am going to click on reels. So these are all the reels I have uploaded so far. So to delete any of them, click on the one which I want to delete. So this is the one I want to delete. Pause the video to ignore the sound. Now, in order to delete this reel, all I need to do is to click on this three dot icon on the bottom right, tap on that, and you are going to see option display. Now go ahead and choose delete, and it's going to be deleted. So you notice this video have deleted successfully. So this is all I want to show you guys. I hope today's video will work for you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to see you on my next video. Stay safe and happy.